Hi guys. So actually for this video I just wanted to explain how can we actually use option flow based on weekly expiration date. So you can see that I'm using actually it's 1st of December contract, and let me explain the two option flow indicators here. So the first one, which is this one, I'm using 25 strike above the current strike price and 25 strike below, and we got the kind of overall which are the options that the traders or institutional are buying. Okay, and the below one is the same option flow, just that I'm using 9 above the current strike price and 9 below the current strike price. So from here you can see, probably you might be able to realize the difference. Okay, maybe we zoom in a bit into here. Okay, so this is the one whereby there's actually more than probably around 3 million call options, but there's nothing here. So actually, which means that traders or institutional are actually buying way in the money call options, which is here. And then you can see it here and here they're adding a position. So they are actually kind of confidence that the price will goes up. So it's actually from here all the way up to here, which is kind of a substantial, around probably $5, maybe 1%. Okay. Okay. The next thing is I want to share with you this uh, great kind of a high green bar. Okay. So let me explain what is these three dots. Okay, the first two dot is actually when there is an option flow of more than 2 million, either is call options or put options. Okay, so the cyan dot is actually when I actually code in a way whereby this is a call options, so it's supposing to go long. However, the candle is actually red bar, so I code this to actually create another signal. Is actually intentions of getting kind of a reversal, which is true enough. Actually, once we got this and the price starts to go down. Okay, the next thing is actually for this line we are looking at the same green bar, which is the 5 million option flow. So it creates a line until the next 5 million comes in. Okay, so you can see that once the price breaks down, actually it actually breaks up again, but however these are the areas whereby there's a lot of liquidities, so which means that it tends to retest this area, come down, retest this area, come down, and then come down again. And true enough, actually it goes up and then it comes down. So these are the area whereby you would like to take profit on, whereby this tends to be a reversal. Okay, and lastly, actually let's see how can we use the option for premium. Okay, so first thing here is actually, okay, so as mentioned, there's a call options, and however it's a red bar, red candle, so which means the reversal is coming. So it's actually, it goes down. Okay, so whenever it come back with retest, come back with retest, and then you can actually trade this as well when there's a call options which come back to retest here, and then the next candle will act as a confirmation. Red candle will act as a confirmation to go down. That will be reversal, which is true enough. Okay, it's just that how you're going to take profit. So probably you can see that actually there's a kind of a support line here. so you can take your profit around this area. All right. Okay. Then at times that whereby there will kind of a different scenario whereby you have call options and the price goes down and goes up again. The main setup is always, let's use the kind of resistance line for this one, which has been created based on the highest option flow. Okay, so you can come here and you see it actually came here and it goes down. Okay, and most based on yesterday, which is kind of probably will be a good trade, whereby you see that actually we have a option flow, call option flow, whereby it's a red candle, and then the price came down all the way to test here. You can get a profit. You close your profit here. Cool.